Hey, what's going on, team? So a quick update for you guys. This is ticker symbol AMC. It's up a little bit over 8% so far on the day. One of the things that I want to point out is, yes, I personally do have on my Webull account a little bit over 3,400 shares. This amounts to about $10,000 on the day. Overall, on my Fidelity account, I made a video a couple days ago saying that I was buying 12,000 shares of AMC. Here's a quick little update for you guys on my overall P&L, not just on my AMC position, but I'm down 5,000 today alone on my Tesla short. Heads up, Tesla reports earnings today, but I made $46,000 today when it comes down to my AMC position. Again, part of this is a recovery. I bought at an average purchase price of around $37.75 to around $38. So just make sure you take that into consideration. Why is it? Well, the thing that I want to share with you is the reason why I'm still holding. So why have I not locked in profits on AMC? One of the things that I want you guys to know within this video is, at the end of the day, if you want to lock in profits right now, all power to you. I'm never here to convince you to hold a position for a movement. At the end of the day, as a day trader, as a trader in general, as an investor, make sure that you do your part in taking advantage of opportunities that make sense to you and never be afraid to lock in profits. One of the main reasons that I'm deciding to stay in AMC is I viewed the dip to be an opportunity, right? It pulled on back to lows of around $35. It began to indicate signs of a reversal, and today alone on the 4-hour time frame, again, this is what I see, with the break above the EMA line and based off of previous resistance levels that used to act as old support levels, you guys can see that from where we're at as of right now trading above the 4-hour EMA, which is a great indication of an uptrend, to that SMA line. It offers nearly 20% if it were to make a recovery just to the SMA line, and if we were to make a recovery back to that $60 resistance level, that's a 50% potential. Again, I am deciding to take advantage of this with my position size, because I understand the risk and I understand the opportunity. If the risk versus reward just isn't worth it for you, if you're a new trader, if you're an absolute beginner and you would rather lock in profits right now, I am always here to encourage you to do so, if that is what you originally had planned, right? I wanted to update you guys through the progress. I was updating you guys on the red day. I wanted to update you guys on my green day as well. So again, it's an amazing opportunity to see that AMC has pushed up 8%. It's a step in the right direction. I looked into it. There's no fundamental reason on why it gapped up today. So I looked at all the different news, looked at all the different reasons. As of right now, it just, again, on the technical side, pulled on back. It sold off enough that it began to indicate signs of a support. And today we just saw enough price action, enough momentum, and the rally was just so strong today that we kept surpassing every resistance level. If we go on the 1-day, 1-minute chart, one of the things that I personally want to point out is the reason that I'm not here to encourage people to hold is because it's obvious that at $40, it doesn't hold very well for AMC. And you guys could see this firsthand, that you guys could see every single time that it pushes up to $40, it pulls right on back. $40 pulls right on back. Hits highs of $40, pulls right on back. So again, as we're at $40, one of the things that I did is with our Learn Plan Prof group is I encouraged them that, hey, just a reminder, we're back at $40 a share. And if you want to lock in profits, all power to you. Never hold a position to please someone else. I can't stress that enough. One of the last things that I want to talk about is Tesla. Tesla, during aftermarket hours, in just a couple of minutes, should be reporting earnings. And if this acts as a negative catalyst, right, if they report less than expected and not beating expectations when it comes down to earnings, we should see a big drop. If it comes down to Tesla exceeding expectation, then we should see a big push. I'm very excited to follow up, but again, I just wanted to do my part in updating you guys on both my green days and my red days. I made a couple $1,000s when I was shorting Tesla as it came down from overall highs of $700. I made about $10,000 to $11,000 shorting it all the way back down to the SMA line. Now things are not necessarily going exactly according to plan, but I have a little bit of a lighter position just because of that. So again, updating you guys both on my red days and of course on my green days. So $41,000 altogether on the day so far. And then when it comes down to my Webull account alone, I'm up a little bit over $10,000, so a little bit over $50,000 on the day. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about AMC. Do you plan to be someone that is going to hold AMC? Do you think that you're going to be selling at the SMA line, which offers nearly 20% from where we're at right now? Or Do you plan to lock in profits right now? I don't think there's a right or wrong answer. At the end of the day, it is your job to take advantage of opportunities that make sense to you and to lock in profits when it makes the most sense. So again, congratulations to our giveaway winner. I just posted them on Instagram. And if you want to partake in that giveaway, just make sure that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel and that you drop a thumbs up. So I appreciate you guys' time. I hope that we earned your thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.